Hello everybody, this is John Anderson with the Jason Whittle All-Pro team, and today I just wanted to talk a little bit about how important first impressions are when it comes to listing and selling your property here at Lake of the Ozarks. A lot of sellers out there think that opinions aren't made until a buyer walks through the entire home, and on their drive home from the showing, that's when they start to form opinions. The truth of the matter is, before a buyer even walks into the door of your property, they are forming opinions. Whether it's dead landscaping out front, whether it is a loose door handle, all of these things can make impressions to the buyer, and you have to nail these in order to get top dollar for your property. The first one that we're going to be talking about is particularly smell and lighting. These to me are the two biggest things that influence a buyer's opinion and overall feel on a property. If you nail bright, light, and open airy rooms, buyers are going to feel the square footage way better than something that's dark and condensed. Things like ceiling height, bright lights, all of those play a major role in how a buyer feels about a property. The second thing that we're going to talk about are signals for deferred maintenance. This is small stuff that piles up as a buyer walks through a home. You may think it's minor, one light bulb that's out, one door handle that's loose, but to a buyer, these are all things that start to accumulate as they walk through a house, and they are going to be forming opinions about the maintenance and deferred items even before getting an inspection report or even before writing an offer on your property, and it is going to negatively impact you. The third thing that we're going to talk about is flow and floor plan. A lot of people think that it's just as simple as square footage is, let's say 1,200 square feet. It's going to be the exact same no matter what that 1,200 square feet looks like. However, floor plan and how it flows, how it feels to the buyer, ceiling height, stuff like that makes a major impact as to what opinion a buyer forms on the property. A next major item is going to be the smell. If they walk into a property and something's off with the smell, even if they can't put their finger to it, they are instantly going to start asking questions about the home and about the property. If you guys are looking to maximize the value of your current investment property here at Lake of the Ozarks, I would highly suggest meeting with somebody who understands these small little intricacies of the buyer. For example, I always tell my clients, you want to spend the most amount of money and time at the beginning of the showing rather than the end of the showing for those small little upgrades. Let's think of this logically. If you're walking through a house, you're going to be forming the most amount of your opinions when you first enter the home and your least amount of new opinions towards the end of the showing. So nailing and making sure that the entryway is clean, that when they first walk through the door, everything is spotless, everything smells good, it's light, it's open, it's airy, lights are turned on, can make a world of difference. If you'd like to have one of these agents by your side representing you in your next home sale, give our office a call at 800-836-2005, and our office, Jason Whittle All-Pro team, would love to help.